Nvidia's stock is up nearly 200%. AI headlines are everywhere, but investors are asking a serious question. Is this the next tech revolution? Or are we just watching a bubble inflate? Because when Wall Street gets too excited, we've seen how that ends. So let's break it down. Is it different this time? Or are we headed for a wake-up call? Nvidia's trading at over 50 times forward earnings. AMD's at 40. Compare that to the long-term S&P average, which sits around 16. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the kicker. Nvidia's revenue is up over 260% year over year. They're not just hyping AI, they're cashing in. Investors aren't betting on a dream, they're betting on dominance. Still, when expectations get too perfect, even the best companies can stumble. Back in the dot-com era, just saying internet could send a stock flying. Today, AI is the new magic word. We're seeing AI startups with barely any revenue, getting unicorn-level valuations. ETFs are popping, analysts are chasing price targets higher every week. The hype is real, but so is the risk. And history tells us, when the crowd gets loud, corrections aren't far behind. Let's talk about what the big money is doing. Some hedge funds, like Coatue and Tiger Global, have already trimmed their AI holdings, citing valuation risk. But giants like BlackRock and Vanguard, they're still holding strong in names like Nvidia and AMD. Why? Because this isn't a dot-com rerun. AI today powers cloud platforms, drives real revenue, and runs on chips these companies already dominate. But don't get it twisted. Smart money's still watching for signs to cool off. And when it turns fast. So is this an AI bubble? Here's the honest take. Not everything's a bubble, but some parts are definitely inflated. The difference this time? There's real infrastructure, real earnings, real adoption, but even real tech can get overvalued real fast. If you're in the game, stay sharp. Don't chase hype, follow the data. So what's your next move? Stay informed, stay ahead, and stay selective. Subscribe to USA Invest Desk. We track where the real smart money is going every single week. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment. AI boom or AI bubble?